Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Archistic. In today's video, we will see 10 colorful brain development activities part 4. These activities are for the kids of 7 to 10 years. All the activities are very interesting and kids will surely like it. It will also help in improving their concentration and logical thinking. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. This is first activity. Color the boxes that show 25 to find the dog to the food. In this activity, kids need to find the path for the dog to reach the food. Color the boxes where sum of two numbers is 25. Now let's solve this. So first box is 24 plus 1 is 25, then color. Check the neighboring boxes where sum is 25. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17, which is incorrect. Then next one, 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. 15 plus 10 is 25. Same way, 12 plus 13 is 25. 6 plus 19 is also 25. Last one, 17 plus 8 is also 25. So, the dog has found the food. Now let's move to next activity. Use the secret code below to answer these riddles. First one is, what is broken when it is spoken? Here some numbers are given. For each numbers there is a alphabets assigned below. Referring this table, we need to complete the word given above. Let's complete this. The first number is 13. So 13 number, we have alphabet S. So write here S. 16 I. 17 L. 6 E. 9 N. 19 C. 6 E. So here answer is silence. Same way you can find other answers. Let's move to next activity. This is crossword activity. Read the clues about nature elements and fill the blocks in the given number and direction. So first one is, what comes after rain? The hint is 7 colors. Guess what? It's rainbow. The spelling of rainbow is RAINBOW. We need to write the spelling in box number 1. Next is, what is infinite and blue? Sky. So number 2, sky. SKY. Which fruit has same name and color? Guess what? It's orange. So third number, orange. ORANGE, orange. Fourth one is, what is important to live? Air. AIR. What color is the sun? Yellow. So 5 number, yellow. YELLOW. Which direction does the sun rise from? East. So 6 number, east. EAST, east. Let's move to next activity. This is make 10 activity. Draw lines to join 3 numbers that add together to 10. In this activity, we need to add 3 numbers whose sum is 10. So here 7 plus 3 plus 0 is equal to 10. So we will draw a line on these 3 numbers. Next one, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So line. Again 6 plus 4 plus 0. Here 0 is overlapping with other combination which is allowed. Same way we can complete this activity. Let's move to next activity. Find the answer. This is puzzle activity. Here first we need to find out the value of each pictures. Sum of 4 glasses is 28. So find the value of each glass. We need to divide 28 by 4. So answer is 7. The value of each glass is 7. Now going ahead. 2 cupcakes plus 1 glass is equal to 17. We already have the value of glass 7. So 17 minus 7 is equal to 10. So 10 is the value of 2 cupcakes. So 1 cupcake equals to 5. 5. Then here cupcake plus mug is equal to 9. Next we need to find out the value of hot mug. The value of cupcake is 5. When we need to subtract 5 from 9. The answer is 4. The value of mug is 4. Last one is glass 7. Value of glass is 7. Cupcake 5 plus mug 4 minus glass 7. Here plus 7 minus 7 cut. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Complete the crossword puzzle with the correct masculine and feminine nouns. Here across. Across indicates horizontal and down indicates vertical. So first one is princess. Princess is feminine and masculine of princess is prince. So we have to write prince in number 2. P-R-I-N-C-E. Prince. Next one is brother. The feminine of brother is sister. So number 5, sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. Like this, kids need to solve this activity. Let's move to next activity. This is a logical puzzle. You have 15 rupees with you. You go to a shop and shopkeeper tells you price as 1 rupees per chocolate. He also tells you that you can get a chocolate in return of 3 wrappers. How many maximum chocolates you can eat? So pause this video, check out the puzzle and let me know the answer in the comment section. This is drawing and coloring activity. The given pictures are made of simple shapes. Draw them in the space provided and fill colors also. Here, kids need to draw same picture and color it. I will show you how to draw this. First one is rectangle. So, draw rectangle. Then triangle, circle, then semicircle, then 2 eyes, circle, triangle and smile. Like this. This is quick thinking activity. Write down the first word that comes to mind when you hear or read these words. Kids can write anything that comes to their mind. First one is mom. The word for mom is love, care, anything. Pizza, yummy, tasty. Dark, night. Father, respect. Brother, friend, like this. Let's move to next activity. This is very interesting activity. Find the triangles. Kids need to count the number of triangles in the given shapes. So count the triangles and let me know the answer in the comment section. This activity will help to increase concentration power in kids. So, in this video, we saw 10 colorful brain development activities. Do comment us which activities you liked most. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.